Hello boys, we're gonna have some H2O, and Mango had some before, but Rainbow on the left, he is so bossy. Watch this. Come on Mango, you want some H2O? Even if Rainbow doesn't want to drink, he'll stop Mango from drinking. Oh, let's see. This is a fake bird, my stuffed animal. I call Gala. So Gala is going to have some H2O. Okay, Mango, H2O. See, Rainbow will take some water first, and then Mango will wait. Okay, take turns. You see how bossy Rainbow is? Okay, Mango. Mango's. Okay, look. This is a stuffed animal. He's even jealous of a stuffed animal. Gala will have some. Yeah, Gala's a good girl. Mango have some. Good boy. See, he doesn't even... Okay, he's drinking now. But he always wants what the other bird has. Oh, Gala's a good girl. Look, Gala is drinking some H2O. Rainbow, look. Okay. Now what are you doing? Are you whispering sweet nothings to Mango's ear? Rainbow, don't do that. Maybe he's trying to tell Mango that the water is his. Who knows? Okay. Another example of him being bossy is, watch. Hi, Gala. Let's play with your toy. Kiss, kiss. Good girl. How about Mango? Kiss, kiss. Good boy. Rainbow, kiss, kiss. Okay, let's get the toy from Gala and put it under her wing. Gala's going to play with your toy. Yes, you claim it's your toy. Let's give it to Gala. Oh, Gala is having fun, right? Gala's kissing. Did you want this one too? Want kiss, kiss? Kiss, kiss? This is not a good example. Before he would go after Gala because he wants to play with this. Now you're acting proper, right? Because mommy has the camera on. Okay, we'll try again some other time when you're not proper.